Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ria Varsami and I am a Shamanic Astrologer and past life regression hypnotherapist. Today I will be sharing with you astrological information about the upcoming new moon and partial solar eclipse in Taurus that is happening the 30th of April, and also about the last 2 weeks of April. So first of all, you probably already feel the energy. The eclipse season has officially started together with the full moon in Libra on the 16th, and we are under these powerful Venus energies that is trying to bring change from within, so we can actually be able to see the change outside of us. So Venus was the ruler of the full moon in Libra, as is the ruler of Libra, and Venus is also the ruler of the new moon in Taurus because she's the ruler of Taurus. So for the next 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks of April, we will be working with themes related with Venus energy that has to do a lot with money, with self-worth, with intimate relationships, and also with our divine feminine energy. How do we express our divine feminine? How we are in peace with this part of ourselves. And the divine feminine is all about slow, passive. It has to do a lot with our emotions, with our feelings. It has to do a lot with body awareness as well. So this is also calling us these last 2 weeks of April as a very healing time to really connect deep within ourselves, with our body, with our feminine qualities, and really to take time for healing and slowing down. So now the eclipse season is a very powerful time for transformation. It's a time where we have the opportunity to look deeper into ourselves and see different layers as we are having this opportunity, these portal days of the eclipses, to really dig deeper and see what's there, what's behind. It's a great time also to work with old beliefs and really reprogram ourselves. So now this time where we have the new moon in Taurus, Taurus is an energy that is very much connected with Earth, with Mother Earth, with stability, with security, with the material world, with our material needs, with all this organic matter. So having a new moon, it's a beginning, is a opening of a new cycle. But an eclipse together with a new moon, it's a closer as well, because every time we have an eclipse, something has to go away, something has to leave, right? And so something is closing for us to be able to begin something new. And the way that I understand that is the old and the new, because we have been still integrating and working between the old and the new self, and now it's a time where the old self cannot continue anymore. It has to stay away, it has to stay back the background, and so the new self can actually come up and start really creating this new with a new moon. So if you want to know more how this new moon will affect you personally, you have to look where the 10 degrees of Taurus fall in your personal birth chart, and that will be the area that you will have to leave something, close something, and to start something new. So now we also have a very powerful lunar eclipse in Scorpio coming up on the 16th of May. And I'm referring to this even if it's a month ahead from now that I'm making the video, because when we study cosmology, time is not linear. We are already in these energies, we're already feeling these energies, and they can be affecting us for months and months ahead and before actually the event. So I want you to look back on the 19th of November when we had the last lunar eclipse in Scorpio, and see what was happening in your life back then, because that will be the themes that we will be that are already activated, and they will be activated and very much highlighted on the 16th of May with this lunar eclipse in Scorpio. So also, as I said, because Venus is the ruler of the full moon in Libra, and also for the upcoming new moon, these last 2 weeks of April will be a lot of these also things regarding our relationships and the money and the self-worth and all these that are interconnected. So also, except of this Taurus earthy energy, there is more yin energy in the birth chart, because we have a lot of planets in the energy of Pisces. So we have Mars, we have Venus, we have Neptune, and we have Jupiter also in the energy of Pisces. And Pisces is a water element and Taurus is earth element. Both earth and water, they are yin qualities, they are yin energy. So it's very much yin energy for the last 2 weeks of April, and also for the new moon event, calling us to slow down, connect with our body, connect with our emotions, and really also ground these emotions. Ground these emotions using the earth element. So another thing that I don't want to forget to say is that we didn't have any planets in retrogrades now for a long time. And on the 29th of April, we have Pluto starting moving retrograde in the 28 degrees of Capricorn, and it's going to be retrograde until October. So the planet of transformation, of death and rebirth, is starting the annual retrograde period in Capricorn. So if you want to know also how this will affect you personally, you have to look where does the 28 degrees of Capricorn fall in your birth chart, which house, and also if you have any planets there, especially if you have there your moon, you will be very much affected. So it's a very transformational period in general, starting because we have the eclipse season, and then we have also Pluto moving in retrograde, and we have so many planets in Pisces, where Pisces is very much connected with healing, and having also Venus in Pisces especially, and Neptune and Jupiter, it's a powerful time for healing, and the whole month of April is a healing month. So in May we can really embody this new person we have became through the last months. So that's all I want to share with you today. I hope that you will have a beautiful rest of April. And if you like my content, make sure you press the like button. Also, you subscribe to my channel. And feel free to write in the comments about your experience and how it is for you, the energies those days. Looking forward to see you in my next video, and bye for now.